Hi, this is GIT 2020 Electrical Engineering question number 6. Question is non-performing assets NPAs of a bank in India is defined as an asset which remains unpaid by a borrower for a certain period of time in terms of interest, principal or both. Reserve Bank of India RBI has changed the definition of NPA thrice during 1993 to 2004 in terms of the holding period of loans. The holding period was reduced by 1 quarter each time. In 1993, the holding period was 4 quarters, that is 360 days. Based on the above paragraph, the holding period of loan in 2004 after the third revision was blank space days. Options are option A 45, option B 90, option C 135, option D 180. Here I will briefly discuss some useful trick or data. So to find answer of such questions, first we should scan the entire paragraph quickly and mark or note the important points or facts. Second, later try to find the answer which is directly or indirectly based on the facts which are given in the paragraph. So let's solve this problem. So first of all, we will go through this paragraph, and in this paragraph it is clearly mentioned that Reserve Bank of India has changed some definition of NPA thrice during 1993 to 2004, and the holding period was reduced. It is very important. The holding period was reduced by 1 quarter each time. In 1993, the holding period was 360 days. So it is interpreted that RBI has changed the definition of NPA thrice during 1993 to 2004, and in every revision has reduced the holding period by 1 quarter of 360 days, that is 90 days. So question is, based on the above paragraph, the holding period of loan in 2004 after, that is third revision, was how many days? So it is clearly mentioned in this question that after third revision, so holding period would be reduced by 3 times of 90 from 360 days. So it would be 360 minus 3 multiplied by 90, and it would be equal to 90 days. So our answer will be 90 days. So answer of this particular question is option B, that is 90. Thank you.